Anyways, yeah, social community. Yeah, I'm worried about what you said about what Samantha said about like an over reliance in AI is pretty much going to dumb us down. And like I said, this channel is about that not happening. Like we, our current trajectory takes us to Wally or Terminator. We need to alter that trajectory significantly because to get to Star Trek. Star Trek is the premise of Star Trek is that society has solved all medical problems, all of societal's problems. The world is a utopia, and the only thing that we have to do with our time is make art and explore the universe. That's the premise of Star Trek. With AI technology, we can get there. It's going to require a massive shift in us. I'm saying a massive shift in society and a massive shift in the world, but ultimately it comes down to a massive shift in each human being. And if each human being makes that shift, then the societal level effects will spread like a ripple of compassion and it will grow on its own. But the radical shift comes from each individual making their own radical shift.